Jen from Polk County Public Libraries, and this month's Kids Craft Take and Make is a Paint Stick Snowman, which I think is really fun, and I had a lot of fun making this. So stop by Columbus or Saluda Library to pick up your free Take and Make kit. You will also need a few supplies from home. You'll need a pair of scissors, some glue, a black marker, and a paintbrush. So go ahead and grab those supplies and follow along, and I'm going to show you how to make your Paint Stick Snowman. Okay, now that you've gathered your supplies, I'm going to tell you how to make this. So let's see what's in the bag. We have a paint stick, a big container of white paint, a little bit of orange paint, a little container with 3 buttons, a long strip of felt and a square strip of felt, and a clothespin. And then finally, we have a toothpick. All right, so your first step is going to be to get your paintbrush. We did not include the paintbrush in the kits, but we've given out a lot of paintbrushes in the Take and Make kit. So hopefully you have saved those and have one you can use for this project. So you're going to start with the white paint, and you're going to use your paintbrush, and you're going to paint your whole paint stick white, just like I've done mine here. And you may need to do a few coats of white paint. So we have included quite a bit of white paint there for you to cover your paint stick with. So after you paint it and let it dry, you'll start putting together the rest of your snowman. So for the snowman's hat, you're going to take your square piece of felt and you're going to wrap it around the top of the paint stick. So you're going to put your glue that you have at home on the top of the paint stick, and you're going to wrap the felt around it, glue on the front and back of the paint stick. And then the clothespin isn't actually part of your snowman. You're just going to use that to hold it in place while the glue dries. And then you can take the clothespin off after it's dried and do whatever you want with it. All right, so the hat is at the top of the paint stick. There should also be a piece of yarn in your bag, which was missing from this bag, but I will add it. The yarn you're going to use to tie around the hat at the top to make a little winter hat, and then you're going to use your scissors at home just to cut little strips like I did here to make it a winter hat. All right, you're also going to take your long strip of felt to make a scarf. So you're going to leave a spot of white below the hat for the snowman's face and just wrap your scarf around the paint stick. I didn't glue it, I just wrapped it. You'll tie it, and then you'll use your scissors to fringe the scarf. Next, you can add the buttons. There'll be 3 different buttons in your kit, and they are actually sticker buttons. So you can just peel the stickers off the back and put them on the snowman. If they don't stick well, you can also use glue, but mine seem to have stuck pretty well. Next, our final step is going to be the face. So if you have a black marker at home, you're going to draw on the eyes and the mouth. And then this is where our final supplies come in, the toothpick and the orange paint. You might want to break your toothpick to be a little shorter. As you can see, my nose is not as long as a whole toothpick. We're trying to make it look like a carrot, so you might want to break your toothpick. You're going to paint it orange, and then you're going to glue it to your nose to make this super fun and cute Paint Stick Snowman. Hope you all have fun.